In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to trigger animation, sound, and added interactivity in Blender Game Engine. First off, we'll start with animation. So switch to the animation layout and put your cube into front ortho view. Switch to Action Editor, click New Action and rename it to Scale Up. Insert a scale keyframe in frame 1. Move to frame 25. Scale the cube up and add a keyframe. Change the end value to 25. Click the F icon beside the action name to lock it in. Switch to Game Logic Layout. Make sure that the cube is selected. Add a keyboard sensor and choose the S key as a trigger. Add an AND controller and an action actuator. Choose Scale Up, select Loop Stop, make the start value 1 and the end value 25, and choose 1 for the blend in value. Connect up the logic bricks and test the game. When you press S, the animation will play. You can change loop stop to ping pong if you want to see what the animation would look like, scaling up and then scaling back down again. Next, we'll move on to playing sounds in Blender Game Engine. Open up the website freesfx.co.uk, sign up for an account, and download a sound. Or if you have a sound saved on your computer, you can use that as well. Add a new cube to your scene. Add a keyboard sensor and choose spacebar. Add an AND controller and choose the sound actuator. Open the sound that you downloaded. Connect the logic bricks and test the game. Select Play End. When you press the spacebar, you should be able to hear the sound playing. Finally, we're going to look at how to combine logic bricks for added interactivity. So add a player cube to your scene and a camera, and add movement controls. Connect the camera to the cube and make it dynamic. Add a floor so the player doesn't fall into space. We're now going to combine the logic bricks. Select the player cube and click Add Game Property. Type Player as the property name, all lowercase. Select the sound cube. Add a near sensor. Type Player into the property field. Connect the near sensor to the same AND controller as the keyboard sensor. This means that when the player is near the cube and also presses the spacebar, the sound will play. You can combine logic bricks in many different ways. Experiment to see what you can do with it.